Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to use a socket wrench. Let me show you what's involved. So a socket set or socket wrenches are really useful tools that can be used with a variety of projects that you're going to be using. Whether you're working on a car engine, a small engine repair, tightening nuts and bolts on a garage door, you name it, a socket wrench is really quite versatile. Now, in essence, when you're choosing the wrenches themselves, it's all about the drive, meaning that there's a bunch of different sizes. The three most common are 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch. Now the 1/4 inch drive wrench is typically for smaller applications. So there's smaller sets, the actual socket sizes that you're going to use are smaller, whether they're standard, what's called SAE, 1/2 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, or metric when you get into the millimeters, 10 millimeter, 13 millimeter. All of those connect to the wrench the same way. They kind of click in place and they click out. Now whether, again, 1/4 inch, 3/8, or 1/2 inch, the 1/2 inch is really heavy duty. You'll find that the larger size sockets are the ones that are 1/2 inch drive. So say you're going to be working on a big heavy piece of machinery, chances are you'd want a 1/2 inch drive. But for most, it's going to be the 3/8 inch drive wrenches when it comes to socket wrenches that you're going to use. Now I'm going to be describing using here a 1/4 inch drive, and you can see that you clip in the sockets into it, and to change the direction, remember, tightening and loosening is the same no matter what tool you're using. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, and on these particular socket wrenches, there's a little switch on the back side that you flip to loosen and flip the other way to tighten. And then using the appropriately sized socket on the end of that wrench will allow you to perform the task at hand. Now there is some versatility when it comes to socket wrenches as well. This particular one is a straight shaft, solid shaft, which is most typical. This other one has a pivoting head which can help you reach into tighter spots. This is really useful when it comes to working on engines. Along with the different sockets, there are what are called standard sockets and deep well sockets. Now the deep well sockets are used for tightening bolts that may have a nut and a bolt that kind of extends up into it that allows you to reach deeper into a cavity when you're tightening and loosening a fastener. Another add-on to using socket wrenches are extensions. These can be placed on the end of the wrench along with the socket to allow you to reach even further. Either way, you always want to choose high quality tools and use them according to the manufacturer's recommended instructions. And that's it. If you need more information, just go to our website, acehardware.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.